Hello everybody, my name is Nacho Riesco. Probably some of you already know who I am. You have watched some of my ZBrush live streamings about ZBrush and jewelry. I have been using ZBrush since 2007, 16 years from now, and it was a radical change in my life, becoming the tool that allows me to be the professional that I am today. It was the first 3D software that I ever used, but as a kid I was a big fan of scaled models. I was modeling figures, painting figures, making dioramas, and then ZBrush allows me to change the traditional tool to a digital tool where I had the feeling that I was sculpting with real clay. ZBrush allows you to work on almost everything. On the jewelry industry, it's an amazing world where ZBrush fits perfectly, reaching possibilities where other software can't. So this is how I started my journey on the jewelry industry as a professional. My knowledge that I was learning in the past about ZBrush opened its doors, and today I'm fully working on it. So thank you everybody and enjoy the summit. Bye.